Wel, wyt ti'n gwybod pwy sy'n dod I siarad efo ni heddiw?
I do know and I'm very excited.
Ti eisiau deud wrth pawb? Dewi Pws.
I was going to say it. Let me say it. I'm really excited. I love Dewi Pws.
He's great.
He's so much fun.
Ydy, mae'n wych.
Perfect.
So, fe gynnu fi ddau fachgen drwg I edrych ar eu hola nhw heddiw. Two naughty boys today. Gwych, right. Dewi Pws, mae o'n actor, mae'n aml dalentog, multi-talented. Mae o'n ganwr, mae o'n fardd. Bardd? What's bardd? Do you know?
Bardd.
Bardd.
No, I have no idea.
Poet.
Poet.
Ydy.
Oh, yes.
Ydy. Mae o'n awdur, yn ysgrifennu, llyfrau. Mae o'n gomediwr.
Comedian.
Comedian hefyd, iawn. Dipyn bach o bob dim.
Multi-talented. Multi-skilled.
Iawn. Gafodd ei eni yn Abertawe, ond mae o'n byw yn Rhesaeth gyda'i wraig, Rhiannon. Mae o wedi actio mewn llawer o bethau. Ar S4C dros y blynyddoedd, Rownd a Rownd, Pobl y Cwm. Mae o wedi wneud lot o stwff comedi ar S4C fel Torri Gwynt, clasur. Ac hefyd, mae o yn canu. Mae o wedi canu gyda Dewi Pws, Edward Aitch, a rwan mae o'n canu ac yn chwarae gyda Radwm. Iawn?
Iawn.
Beth am i ni ddechrau gyda y patrwm cynta? Pam
nes ti?
Right. Hit me with it. What does that mean?
Pam is why.
Da iawn.
Nes ti? Did you?
Da iawn.
Did you, isn't it? Yeah.
Hey.
Okay. Pam nes ti?
Pam nes ti. Felly, oedd Dewi yn arfer bod yn athro. Used to be a teacher. So we can ask him, why did you leave teaching?
Pam nes ti? What's leave?
Beth ydi leave? Ti'n gwybod?
Allan.
Allan is out, yeah. Gadael.
Gadael.
Yeah.
Pam nes ti gadael?
Little mutation thrown in there.
Pam nes ti adael?
Yeah, da iawn.
You dropped the G, don't you? You dropped the G, okay.
Gone.
Pam nes ti adael?
Da iawn.
Teaching.
Teaching and learning, same thing. Gwybod?
Dysgu.
Da iawn.
Dysgwyr. Pam nes ti adael? Dysgu.
Reit te, y patrwm nesa, okay? Iawn. Beth ydi hwn? Mae gyda ti. Neu'r cwestiwn, oes gyda ti.
I think oes is, do you have with you?
Yeah. Do you have?
Do you have? My is it the same?
I have.
I have.
Or not as in I've done something, but I've got, literally. And so I have something. So mae brawd gyda fi, mae babi gyda fi. Yeah, so I've got this. Yeah.
Okay.
He's got an interest in golf. Beth ydi an interest?
Diddorol?
Diddorol is interesting. An interest is diddordeb.
Diddordeb.
Iawn. So, mae diddordeb gyda ti. And then you say mewn golf.
Mewn golf.
Yeah. And then ask him, have you got a handicap?
Oes handicap gyda ti?
Yeah, da iawn. Okay?
Yeah, diolch.
Perffaith, right. Un sgrin arall.
Oh.
Cyffredinol. I should have taught you this.
Dwed.
On day one.
Iam.
Right, so dwed comes from dweud, to say or tell. Dwed wrtha I am. Iawn, so they're on our sofa. Tell me about it.
Tell me about it.
Yeah. Nice open question, ti'n gweld?
Yeah, that's a good one.
Perffaith. Tell me about your Christmas.
Dwed wrtha I am Nadolig.
Nadolig, yeah. Hapus?
Hapus.
Beth am ni wylio, dipyn bach o Dewi Pws.
I could watch this all day.
Cyn I ni gyfarfod o yn y cnawd in the flesh.